My name is Chef Din and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time. Hit that notification button as well so you don't miss out on new recipes I post weekly. I will teach you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So join me on a culinary adventure and learn to cook great Indian cuisine. With my knowledge and experience of over 40 years as a master chef and restaurateur, I will share with you trade secrets. So let's not waste any more time and let's... Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to make chapatis. It's a very easy to make but very difficult if you don't know how. So today's video is going to be how to show you how to make chapatis. I've made so many chapatis in my life that I couldn't tell you exactly how many. But anyway, in a bowl put 2 cups of atta. You can get all different types. You can get one that is really coarse atta and fine, but I prefer the white atta myself. So and Elephant brand is very good. So in a bowl put your 2 cups of atta and 1 large tablespoon of vegetable oil. This will make the chapati firmer. In the restaurant trade we never put oil in our chapati, but it depends on the quality of atta as well. But with warm water, I'm using roughly about 150 mils of water, maybe a little bit here, a little bit less, but just put a little bit in at a time and mix it. We want a stiff but soft consistency, so just put a little bit at a time and mix it well. Chapati is a wholesome bread. It's probably thousands of years old. It's probably one of the oldest breads in the world, but it's easy to make. Just salt, water and flour, that's all you need. The reason I put the oil is to make it a little bit softer as well, because otherwise it becomes a bit kind of stiff sometimes. So but chapatis are supposed to be made very quickly under intense heat. So I'm going to show you how to make the chapati so you get perfect chapatis each time. Just with the knuckles, just push in. We don't want to kind of knead it too much. We're going to leave this to rest for about 30 minutes or even longer. It's up to you, but make sure you cover it with a damp cloth. It's very important. Otherwise we don't want the chapati dough to kind of dry out, otherwise you get a crust. We don't want that. So best with a damp cloth. You can cover with a little bit of oil if you want. It's entirely up to you. But yeah, this is near enough ready, as you can see. All we need to do now is basically just cover it with a damp cloth and job's done. And we'll come back to it in half an hour or so to make the chapatis. Right. To keep the chapatis warm once you've made them, this is a good process. Get yourself a saucepan. It can be a frying pan or a large saucepan. Put on the bottom 2 or 3 sheets of kitchen towel, and it must have a good solid lid, tight fitting lid. And that's where we're going to put our chapatis. That'll keep them nice and warm when we go to eat them with our desired dish, be it a meat dish or vegetarian dish of your choice. Anyway, now after half an hour, what we want to do is make 4 equal balls of this chapati mix, and we're going to let this rest for a couple of minutes after we've done this. So just roll them out evenly and then we'll be ready to roll out. You can roll them out straight away. I'm going to roll them out straight away, but I would leave it for about a few minutes covered. Just let it rest. Right, get yourself some of the atta, what we're using, and just cover everything, because we're going to make them all together and then start cooking them instead of coming back to them every time we've made one. So as you can see, the dough is quite firm, but not too firm. It's like a medium, I would say. But the key here is you must have a decent rolling pin. My one's a weighted one, so it's much easier for me to make it. But get yourself a decent rolling pin, and as you can see, just go out. Once you've got the size, then just go out, just like that. Then make sure there's no more flour on it. Make sure all the flour's been shaked off like this, and put that aside, and carry on making all your chapatis before we start to cook them. Chapati is probably one of the best breads to eat, actually. It's wholesome bread, good with breakfast time or dinner time, any time, and very healthy as well. So if you need to eat bread, think about this one. Easy to make as well. It only takes a matter of minutes to make chapatis. Right, once you've made all your chapatis, now get yourself your tawa and make sure it's really hot, the tawa. Then turn the heat down. We don't want it too hot. So really get it hot, turn it down to medium, and also have another flame going so we can transfer the tawa onto the other flame so the tawa doesn't get cold while we do the next one. So I've got another chapati on the other hand ready to put on the tawa while I put the chapati over the flame just to finish off. So just give it a couple of minutes. You don't want to cook them too slowly, and you don't want to cook them too fast. If you cook them too slowly, what will happen, it will dry out. And if you cook them too fast, they'll burn. So you want to cook them just medium. Do one first as a tester and see how long it takes. But this is real time, so this is how it should be for you. So I've put that one there. I'm going to move that one over to the other burner while I puff this one up. Just go round, don't leave it in one place, otherwise the chapati will burn. Just move it, keep moving it around, and this will finish off the cooking process of the chapati. Sometimes you can put a little bit of butter on these after it's finished, and I prefer with a little bit of butter as a butter chapati. I don't know if you've ever had one in a restaurant, but you can ask for it, and it's a butter chapati. They just rub a bit of butter on the top. So this is the method of making chapatis. As you can see, it's very simple. Make sure the burner is at the highest point when you're doing this, because you want to puff it up as quick as you can, and that's it. So you just have to basically carry on doing this until all your chapatis are made. So this is my chapati video. I hope it's been helpful for you and that you learn how to make these chapatis. They're easy to make, and once you get the hang of it, you won't look back and you think to yourself, my, so easy. It's always easy when someone shows you how, and that's what I do. I'm showing you how to make chapatis, parathas, curries through my videos. So if you enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel, share the content with your friends so that the channel can grow and help everyone cook great Indian food. So anyway, that's my chapati, and I hope you enjoy it. Please comment in the comments box and let me know what you think. Bye for now, and hope to see you soon.